Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Tutoring. As always, it's a pleasure to join you. Today we've got a question where we need to try and simplify an algebraic expression, and we're going to get straight into the question. So they've asked us to calculate 4x plus 3 minus, and then open brackets, 3x minus 2 close brackets. Right, so what's always important with a question like this is we need to follow BODMAS. And BODMAS always says deal with the brackets first. Now if we look to the brackets, what do we notice about the brackets? We notice that there are two unlike terms inside the brackets. So there's actually nothing we can do, but we still need to try and deal with these brackets first. And how would we do that? Well, we know that when we've got brackets like this and we've got a -1 on the outside, we need to multiply that -1 in using our distributive law. So what I typically do is I write the question out first. 4x plus 3 minus 3x minus 2. And the first thing we need to try and do is get rid of this bracket. Now this is going to catch a lot of people out. Okay, this is a sneaky -1 that needs to be multiplied into the bracket. So let's deal with that first. So we've got 4x plus 3, and now we're going to multiply this -1 in. That -1 times the 3x is going to be -3x, and then we're going to take that -1 and multiply the second term in the bracket, which is going to be plus, so the negative times the negative is plus 2. Now what do we need to do? We need to now simplify this by identifying all of our like terms. So I'm going to do that by circling my like terms in different colors. So there is my one set of like terms, and what do you notice? I include the sign when I circle it, because that sign belongs to the coefficient, which belongs to the variable. And then I'm going to do it again for the other types of like terms. So we've got two constants that we can circle as well. Then I'm going to bring those terms together. This I'm doing so that I don't get the question wrong at all. I don't make any silly mistakes. 4x minus 3x. So now I've dealt with my blue terms. So the blue terms are grouped together. And then I've got my green terms, which are plus 3, plus 2. And I'm going to circle that just so that I know those are my green terms. So now I need to simplify the circles. So my first circle is 4x minus 3x. And remember, what we do is we deal with our coefficients. So the coefficients here are 4 minus 3, which is going to be 1. Remember, we don't have to write the 1. So it would simply be x. So there is an invisible 1 in front of the x. And then to deal with our green circle, we've got plus 3 plus 2, which is going to be plus 5. And all we need to do is write plus 5 over there. And guys, that's it. We can't simplify any further because we've got two unlike terms. And because we've worked through this so nice and slowly, there's no way we can make a silly mistake. Awesome, guys. That's all from me. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this possible. Find out more about them in the description below. If you're keen for more videos like this, visit our website. If we haven't answered your question yet, send it to us and we will send you a personalized video back. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.